Behind us is the Plankenbrug River, which is one of the most polluted rivers in South Africa.
Greater than 10 million E. coli per 100 mils, up to 40 million. So that's about sort of 4 or 5 times stronger than normal domestic wastewater.
Unfortunately, it is on the edge and the border of the Kaimandi in Kanini Township area. It runs through the Plankenbrug industrial area where a lot of chemical pollution also happens, and further up in the river there's also agricultural and chemical runoff into the river. So it's a river in distress.
There is a bit of life in the river, but otherwise it's dead. And so the need is to try and restore life into that river. So I'm Johnny. I'm Johnny Harris from Isadima Design and Development. We design, develop, implement ecological wastewater treatment systems, of which the green filter is one that we're involved in designing and implementing.
Wildlands is here since July 2014, and the corporate partnership developed from there between the municipality, the bigger role players like the Stel and Spear, the University of Stellenbosch, and private landowners as well, all getting together around a table and saying this is an incubation space to solve problems. This is where we join forces and network and try and find solutions.
So we've got a series of 14 different tanks. They're connected in series, one after the other, which gives us up to 14 days of retention time, which means it takes 14 days from the water to flow in to flow out. And we developed this in partnership with John Todd, where we were looking to use nature to clean the rivers and restore the environment in the river. We've included some transparent pipe sections, and so this piece of pipe is very early on in the system, and you can see the very dense algae growth within there, indicative of the high nutrients that are within that cell and within that tank. As you move further down the system, you'll see that the algae growth diminishes, the water quality clears, and the idea being that when the system is fully established and fully operational, then we'll have crystal clear water coming out.
Thank you to our sponsors.
And thank you to Wildlands.